Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls coming to you from the West Coast. As part of my bundle of Up and Away items, I wanted to share the card that goes with it and how I made that. It's part of the Crafter's Companion Bundle of Joy collection. And I'll be using that collection throughout all of the pieces. And here's my card, and that's the first one. I'll show you how it's done. So let's get started. I'm using the Crafter's Companion Bundle of Joy collection, which is one of the small collections that came as an auto ship on HSN or QVC with the Gemini 2, but also you could get it without the Gemini 2. And we're going to start with the card. I've got a 6x6 card base, and this is an edgeable, up and away edgeable. And I'm just going to put this on and cut this into the 6-inch card base. So we're just going to line this up, and I've cut some mats and layers, so I want to line it up right about there probably. And use your glass mat to make sure that it's straight. And then some Blu Tack tape, tape it down. And tape it on the edge that's going to get cut away. And then we're going to run that through my die cutting machine. Peel that tape off. Carefully peel my die off of there. And there's some intricate pieces here, so I want to be careful peeling it off that you don't rip it. I'm going to trim that piece at the bottom. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do some matting and layering. This is just paper from the same collection. I'm going to put some add some layers on to try and make that edgeable die cut stand out nicely. Now that edgeable stands out much better, but I think I'm going to maybe do a little bit of coloring on there just to make it stand out even more. So let me get a piece of scrap card to go underneath. And these little butterflies, I think I'm going to just kind of color in some pale pink just to give them a little bit of color. Like that. And that's all the coloring I'm going to do on that. But I love how it stands out a little bit more just that way. And then I've got a couple of, so along with, in that collection came a stamp and die that cuts this cute little balloon. Cut that, and I thought that might be fun to lay on there. Although, now that I cut it, I'm not sure I'm going to use it because it's It just hides that beautiful paper. So I might not use it. And then it also comes with a little sentiment stamp and die. Hello, little one, and the little, and then the die has little holes so you can ink through it to kind of give it a 3D look. And I think we'll just put this up at the top. And actually, I was planning on putting that on there. And I think I will. I think I'm going to put it kind of a 3D-ish right there. I'm going to use my 3D Collage gel. We're going to start with our sentiment and just going to put a big blob of glue on each end. And then this one I think I'm going to put right about in here. Put a big blob of glue down there. And on this side, and that's it. That's my card. I love this collection. It's beautiful. If you have to do a baby album or a baby card, it's gorgeous. Hope you like that.